In this video, I'll show you how to add a customer in Wave. First, log into your Wave account and open the business you want to use. Next, go to Sales in the left sidebar and select Customers. Now, click the Add a Customer button to create a new customer. Enter the customer's first and last name, or enter the company name if you're adding a business customer. After that, enter the customer's email address so you can send invoices and other documents directly from Wave. You can also add a phone number, billing address, shipping address, and other contact information if needed. Next, review the customer details and make sure the information is correct. If you plan to create invoices for this customer, adding the correct email address is especially important. After that, scroll through the form and add any additional information that you want to keep with the customer's record. Once everything looks correct, click Save to create the customer. Your new customer will now appear in the Customers section and can be selected when you create an invoice. Finally, open the customer's profile to confirm that the name and contact information were saved correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a customer in Wave. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.